Hello guys, welcome back to George Basics. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to fix Marvel Rivals is crashing. You need to open your Steam and go to the library. In the list, you need to find Marvel Rivals, which is right here, and then click the settings icon on the right side of the page. Then go to the properties, and from properties, we need to go to the installed files, and then click browse. So this is the location where your game is installed. We need to scroll down until we will see Marvel Rivals launcher. Then we need to right click on it, go to the properties, and we need to go to the compatibility settings where we need to check these two options. First, run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. So you need to leave it on Windows 8. And then we need to also check this, run this program as an administrator. Then click apply and OK. So this will help you to solve your problem. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.